Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
Hello, my name is Mathieu Mazur. I'm from RMIT University in Melbourne. We're part of this project focusing on simulation of additive manufacturing processes and trying to predict their environmental footprint, resource usage in terms of energy, materials, consumables, etc. And it's an important part of research for RMIT, which is a heavily applied research-focused university. And one of our sort of leading research topics is additive manufacturing. So we have a large group of researchers and a large facility, and we focus on all aspects of additive manufacturing, from materials, design, increasingly so also sustainability. So that's why we are excited to be part of this project.
Why did you choose to participate in the Diameter project?
So the Diameter project seemed very relevant to our research interests, also very exciting. In particular, the ability to engage with researchers from Europe, from a host of different countries, which is very exciting for us coming from Melbourne, which can be a bit isolated from Europe. So it was a great opportunity to try and grow our collaborative networks and to meet other like-minded researchers from around the world.
What is your specific role within the project?
So our role is mostly on developing simulation tools for predicting how long certain components would take to manufacture and what sort of resources they would consume in terms of energy and material usage, and what sort of environmental footprint they would have. We use our simulation tools in collaboration with experimental results from our other partners to try and increase their accuracy, and then we provide that information to other partners that will then look at life cycle models for those manufacturing processes.
What excites you the most about the Diameter project?
So the most exciting thing for us about the Diameter project is the collaboration with the range of partners from universities to companies all across Europe. So the ability to grow our network, to understand and learn about the industrial and research landscape in Europe, and to build partnerships that can help grow our sort of global research footprint.
In your opinion, what should Diameter achieve by the end of the project? Who should benefit from its outcomes, and how do you imagine these results being used in practice?
So I think the main outcome of Diameter that would be very exciting from my perspective is if we can develop a tool that allows engineers in the manufacturing industry to readily understand the sustainability aspects of manufacturing decisions that they make, especially around additive manufacturing, and be a tool that's readily accessible, that provides detailed information to help with the decision making in order to improve sustainability, reduce resource usage, and generally lead to a more sustainable future.
How do you imagine the future impact of Diameter on your organization or your sector?
I think the long-term outcomes from the Diameter project will be increased partnerships, greater collaboration, and opportunity to further deepen our research, particularly with entities in Europe, companies, universities, and generally get better outcomes through collaboration.